Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to walk you through step by step how to install and set up Python on your Windows PC. Now if you heard about Python, Python is a programming language that allows you to integrate multiple systems, and it's very fast and easy to use. With that said, let's head over to my computer screen so that I can show you step by step how to do this. Let's go. So guys, you simply want to open up any browser you may have and simply type in python.org. You'll be taken over to the Python website. Now once you're there, you will see a lot of information about Python. You can go ahead and you can read through it. And if you're new to Python, you can simply click the learn more button here. Let me do that in the next window. And you will see the Python docs. You can open up that. And also there's tutorials as well that you can go through to learn much more about Python. Here's the documentation, guys. Now, to download Python on your Windows PC, all you have to do is simply go to downloads here, hover over that on the Windows and download Python here. It's very fast to download. Now, once you download it, go ahead and run the application, and you want to make sure that you click Add Python exe here, then customize the installer. Go ahead and hit next, and you want to make sure that Python install 3.1 for all users is enabled. Then just go ahead and click install. Now you can see it is successfully done. So go ahead and click close here and go ahead and hit the Windows key and type command prompt. Here you can see it. Let me open up that, and all you have to do is type Python, guys. Once I type Python, hit enter, and there you can see that it is successfully installed and ready to use. And there you have it, guys. So easy, so simple, and very fast. That's how easy it is to set up and install Python on your Windows PC. Now if you find some value in this video, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video likes. Thank you very much.